Good morning, first grader. Today's non-traditional day packet is for April 23rd, 2020. Non-traditional day. Today is a non-traditional day. Some of this subject matter has been previously taught, and students should be able to complete the work independently. Some is new material, and students may need help. You will need to read the directions and explain the task to your child. Your child should complete the work on his or her own with minimal help. Skills. I can sort words into categories and explain what the category represents. Match the vocabulary word with the definition. Reading. I can identify the main topic and retell key details of a text. Read the passage about the whale. Use the passage to answer the questions. Writing. I can write an informational piece including 3 facts, including details with transition words, an opening and a closing. Create an informational writing using facts about whales you learned from the passage. Use your 5-star sentences and include opening statement, first of all, also, most importantly, and closing statement. For math, I can tell and write time in hours and half hours using analog and digital clocks. Number 1, cut out the cards and then cut them down the middle following the line. Mix them all up and then match them together. Number 2, write the time shown on the clock. Your special area today is Spanish. Online enrichment. The following are web pages that we use daily in the classroom. They are great review and practice. RazKids. If you have internet access, RazKids is a reading program we use at school. You can go to the website. Students know their teacher's login information. Oceans. Brain Pop Oceans. National Geographic. Mystery Doug. Read alouds. Over in the ocean. I'm the biggest thing in the ocean. The snail and the whale. Songs. Out on the coral reef. The ocean song. Skills. Coral, predator, prey, scales. This animal is also known as a polyp. It has a soft body and uses its tentacles to get food. This is an animal who hunts its food. This is an animal hunted for food. These cover the body of fish and are a form of protection for them. Gill, echolocation, endangered, pod. This is what many animals use to breathe underwater. Water passes over these and they take oxygen out of the water. This is the system of using sound waves to locate objects. Animals who are in danger of becoming extinct. This means there are not many left. This is a group of dolphins that travel together. For reading, whales are very large mammals that live in every ocean. They range in size from 11 feet to 98 feet long. Whales breathe air but can stay underwater for very long periods of time. In fact, they spend 90% of their life underwater. They typically eat fish and squid. Killer whales also eat other ocean mammals and other whales. Other whales eat krill and plankton. For whales, what was the main idea from this passage? Write 2 details that you learned. What is your opinion about this animal? Responding to nonfiction texts. Today I read about, here are some facts that I learned. I can draw and label a. The most interesting fact I learned was, for writing, math time. These are the ones that you'll cut on the line. Write the times based on this clock. First grade Spanish, April 23rd, 2020. If you have questions, contact your Spanish teacher. I am available daily from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Miss Workman, savannah.workman@boyle.kyschools.us. Instagram at Senorita Workman BC, and Facebook Woodlawn Elementary Spanish. Instructions. Practice counting 1 to 10 in Spanish. Number 2. Trace the numbers 11 through 20 on the next page. You can practice writing them in the extra space if you want. Number 3. Scan the QR code below. If you have internet and listen to the numbers. You can practice repeating as the video says them. Number 4. Write the numbers 11 through 20 next to the Spanish words on the last page. Then draw a line to connect the Spanish word with the picture showing that number of items. Numbers 11 through 20. Trace the number, trace the letters. Write the number 11 through 20 next to the Spanish word. Draw a line to connect the word with the pictures showing that number of items. So how many is this word? And then which picture matches this word? You'll draw a line to it. And that concludes today's NTI packet.